Doing the engine install for my Airstar Mongoose, and you do want to put Loctite on these bolts. It's a little bit more than what I wanted there. So I'm not going to tighten these bolts down. I'm just going to put them on tight enough to hold the engine. And it will have to be adjusted too when you put the clutch bell on and you're starting to install the belt for the pulley. And it's actually how you do get the tension on your pulley. You'll basically push forward onto the engine. As you can see, these holes are oblong. But I try to be as organized as I possibly can when I am disassembling something on a helicopter, and that way it makes your job easier when you go back to reinstall whatever it is that you originally took out. And again, you want to make sure you're using the correct Loctite. This is the medium strength blue Loctite, and that's a little bit easier to break free when you're taking that particular bolt back out. Like I said earlier, if you use the actual strongest Loctite, which is the red Loctite, then you're not going to be able to get that bolt out just with torque. You're actually going to have to get like a soldering iron and hold that on the end of the bolt in order to, you know, heat the high strength Loctite up enough to get that bolt to break loose. Usually these engines need to go back a little bit. So I will slide it back. Okay, so Vario has these specialized parts